तो गाइज आपको भी ऐसा लगता होगा कि जब आप घर पे आते हो तो यू फील अ बिट बोर एंड देन यू फील अ बिट लोनली, especially if you're living in another country and you are, outside the country because of work or study. So sometimes you feel like you have a friend that you can talk with, or a BFF that you can able to share your day with, or you can talk or you can listen and all. लेकिन आजकल के दौर में आप किसी को फोन करते हो तो वो इंसान बहुत बिजी होता है बेसिकली. अगर आप कॉल करते हो, किसी से पूछते हो कि भाई let's talk about stuff, कैसा है तू, क्या कर रहा है तू, यानी लेकिन लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है, क्योंकि हर बंदे की जॉब जो है या हर बंदे का जो बिजनेस है या क्राइटेरिया है वो डिफरेंट है. आपके टफ टाइम में आपके साथ कौन है? पहली वीडियो देखी थी, आई टॉक्ड अबाउट द ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी एंड एआई. सो आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू माय न्यू BFF. मीट एलेक्सा. कैसी है तू? Alexa EchoBot. Let's start with the unboxing of this device quickly, and then we'll see how it goes and what it does. It's made by Amazon, and I simply love her. Let's quickly open her and open the box. So guys, this is the EchoBot, and that's Alexa installed in it. जिस तरह अलादीन का चिराग होता है तो वो बाहर आता है कि सर क्या करूं आपके लिए, या फिर जिस तरह कोई विच विजर्ड टाइप थिंग installed in this device. So Alexa is like a helpful wizard that you have inside this EchoBot installed in this device, and she is here to make a life little bit interesting. Alexa loves to talk. You can ask her anything and she gonna answer you. So let's switch her on first and then we will talk to her. All right. Hi. Hi. Alexa. Alexa. I think I need to do some setup with the device. Let me get back to you. Alexa. 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 Wait, let me just set her up. So you need to install the application Amazon Alexa, and then you can access that using your Amazon account. Alexa. Hi.
And hello to you.
Alexa, how are you?
Great. Thanks for asking.
Why don't ask me back? Alexa, what can you do for me?
Okay, before I can continue, please set a location for your Amazon account on Amazon.com under the Preferences tab of your content and devices.
Wait, let me put the defer. I don't know why it's asking me to get into details of the preferences and stuff, which I don't know how I can able to do that. Okay. What's wrong with you? Alexa, can you play for me AP Dillo Scar?
You want me to play Scar by A.P. Dylan, right?
Right.
Scars by A.P. Dylan from Angami.
Alexa, stop the song. I don't want to get the copyright strike. Can you tell me a joke that can make me laugh?
Why did the Star Wars fan break up with the Star Trek fan? They both needed some space.
What? Alexa, can you reduce your volume to 5?
Why did the Star Wars fan break up with the Star Trek fan? They both needed some space.
Alexa, your joke is pretty bad. Can you give me some adult joke?
A gastroenterologist walks into a bar. The bartender says, "I'd offer you a booth, but I assume you want a stool."
Alexa, can you whisper?
I can whisper. I learned how after realizing that people take nap time very seriously.
Yeah. So that's basically Alexa is. You can able to talk with her anytime you want to, and then you can ask her to play the songs, set reminders and alarm. For example, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 9:28 p.m.
Can you set an alarm for 9:29?
Alarm set for 9:29 a.m. tomorrow.
Remove all the alarms.
Canceling all your alarms.
that's basically the alarm. Snooze the alarm for next 5 minutes.
Okay, snoozing for 5 minutes. Bangladesh scored 245 for 9 and New Zealand scored 248 for 2. Did that answer your question?
Yes,
Thanks for your feedback.
she's so good. What really happened between Pakistan and Sri Lanka cricket match?
This might answer your question. This past Tuesday, Pakistan beat Sri Lanka by 6 wickets in an ODI match of ICC Cricket World Cup. Sri Lanka won the toss and decided to bat. They scored 344 for 9.
I miss you.
How nice of you to say so. Okay, goodbye for now. Playing songs by A.P. Dillon from Angami.